हेलो बच्चों, चलिए अब हम शुरू करते हैं लाइंस एंड एंगल्स। बहुत ही मजेदार चैप्टर है, लेट्स सी। देखिए, सबसे पहले आता है हमारे पास एडजेसेंट एंगल्स। मैं आपको पहले बताऊंगी कुछ एंगल्स के बारे में, ओके? तो देखिए कौन से होते हैं। लाइंस एंड एंगल्स दोनों ही एक साथ चलेंगे। चलिए, सबसे पहले है एडजेसेंट एंगल्स। एडजेसेंट, देखिए आप ऐसे समझिए, एडजेसेंट का मीनिंग होता है आपके नेबर, आपके पड़ोसी, द नेक्स्ट हाउस, राइट? पड़ोसी, आप इसे ऐसे समझकर चलिए। पड़ोसी एंगल, दैट इज कॉल्ड एडजेसेंट एंगल। नाउ लेट मी शो यू, सी, this is an angle, correct? Now who is the adjacent angle of this? See, this red one is the adjacent angle of this blue angle. Got it? This, let me give some names. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Now, what is the name of this angle? Blue angle. Name of blue angle is angle ABC. Correct? And what is the name of this angle? Red angle. It is angle ABD. Angle ABD. So you can clearly see that both the angles are sharing one arm. They are sharing AB. Correct? See, what are neighbor house? What are padosi's house? What is common between your house and your पड़ोसी हाउस? कॉमन वॉल बीच की सेम होती है हमारी, राइट? हमारे और हमारे पड़ोसी के घर के बीच की जो वॉल होती है दैट इज कॉमन। क्लियर? सिमिलरली ये जो दोनों एंगल्स है, इन दोनों के बीच की जो आर्म है, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली सेम। So they are adjacent angles. You can say who is adjacent angle of angle ABC? Angle ABD. Clear? Now this is about angles. Now let me show you if I make some other angle. Okay, let me clear it first. आपको सिंपली याद रखना, एडजेसेंट मीन्स पड़ोसी, बात खत्म। देखिए, अभी जैसे हमने ये बनाया और इसके साथ में हमने इसका नेबर एंगल बनाया, ये क्लियर? दे आर नेबर एंगल्स। अगर मैं ऐसे बना देती हूं, अब मुझे बताइए, ये जो एंगल ए बी सी डी और इसे ई, एंगल ए बी सी और एंगल डी बी ई, are they adjacent angles? Are they adjacent angles? No, they are not, because they have no arm, nothing common in between them. Only this vertex is common, but that doesn't make, only that vertex does not make them adjacent angles. Yeah, angle DBE, angle DBE and angle DBA, they are adjacent angles. This and this, they both are adjacent angles, correct? But this and this, they are not adjacent angles. Okay, so this was about angles. Okay, now let me make another angle. Now again, see, they are oppositely. Let me give some name. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. So angle 2 and angle 4, they are again not adjacent. Angle 3 and angle 4, yes, they are adjacent. They are sharing common arm, BE. BE is common between angle 3 and angle 4. So they are adjacent. Clear? Now let me show you one thing more. See, this was about only angles, right? Between two lines. Now let me show you one thing more. सपोज करिए अब हमारे पास ये एक ट्राइंगल है, इसके अंदर एंगल, ट्राइंगल के अंदर यू नो 3 एंगल्स होते हैं, 1 2 एंड दिस इज द थर्ड वन। नाउ हियर आल्सो यू विल सी एडजेसेंट एंगल्स। इसका एडजेसेंट एंगल कौन है? आप सिंपल ये देखिए, हु इज द नेबर ऑफ दिस एंगल? कौन इसके साथ एक सिंगल आर्म शेयर कर रहा है? देखिए, ए, लेट मी टेक अनदर नेम, पी क्यू आर, P and angle Q, they both are sharing common arm, PQ. They are sharing both Both of them are sharing this common arm, PQ. This side is common between both the angles, right? So angle P and angle Q, they are adjacent angles. Clear? Then angle P and angle R, they are also adjacent angles. Why? Because they are sharing a common arm, PR. So they are also adjacent angles. Clear? And they, both of them, R and Q, they are also adjacent with each other. Okay? Now let me show you in a quadrilateral. Here you see. Now let's say the name are POME. POM. See, now who is adjacent angle of angle P? Common arm, who is sharing common arm? Angle O. Yes, they are sharing common arm. PO. And angle E. Both are adjacent of angle P. Angle E is adjacent to angle P. And angle O is adjacent to angle P. But this angle M is not adjacent with angle P. Not adjacent. Why? Because it is not sharing anything with P. They have no common arm. Nothing is common. This is an opposite angle. Opposite angle. Because it is in front of that. Standing opposite to him. Correct? So you can see this angle E is adjacent to P. And angle O is adjacent angle of angle P. And this angle M is not adjacent. Rather it is opposite angle of angle P. Clear? Let me show you one more thing. If I show you the same thing in other figures, you see. So this is a heptagon. I have made 7 sides. Okay. Here now if you talk about this, let me take. Okay. I have taken these names, planets. So who is adjacent angle of angle P? Angle L is adjacent of angle P. Who is adjacent angle of angle P? Another adjacent angle S is adjacent of angle P. Okay. So 2 adjacent angles are there. Got it?